Sasa hapa utaingia Play Store hapa, utaingia hapa kwenye akaunti hapa, utaingia hapa kwenye Play Properties, kisha utaingia setting hapa, utazima hapa, utatia password ili zime, kisha zima, utatoka. Shatoka hapo, utakuja hapa, utakuja kwenye faili. Ni faili ya simu yako. Upande wa kulia utakuja kwenye Android hapo, alafu utaingia kwenye data hapo, lazima hapo uone DFL hapo. Alafu utakuja kwenye download, utakuja kwenye zile data ambazo umezidownload pale, utaingia hivi, download kidogo hapo, utaishikilia hivi, utabonyeza hapo extract hapo, utabonyeza okay. Ukishabonyeza okay, itaanza kuja hapa, itaingia humu, itakuwa data ndo zimeingia hizi hapo. Zikishaingia data, utatoka tu hapa, shatoka, utaingia tena kwanza hapo, utakuja kwenye Android hapa, OBB hapa, narudi nyuma hapa kwenye OBB hapa, na huku utarudi nyuma, utakuja kwenye hapa DFL, utaviewa, bonyeza hapo Android OBB, unaingia tena hivi. Lazima hii DFL uione, unaishikilia hii, una extract, unabonyeza okay. Unabonyeza okay, inaendelea hapo. Mimi sibonyezi kwa sababu tayari nimeshaweka game hapo. Ndo utarudi nyuma, ukisharudi nyuma hapo, utaingia hapo, utasubiria kidogo, game ina load. Game ndo hiyo hapo hiyo.
Shakira, we are ready.
We are ready.
We are ready. We are ready.
We're ready.
We are ready.
We are ready.
We are ready. We are ready. We are ready.
We're ready.
We are ready.
Hapo utachagua timu kama hapa taifa nini, Argentina za huku, hizo hapo, utabonyeza okay. Ukitaka upange timu utaingia hapo game plan hapa, ndio ukafanya sabu zako zote unazotaka hapo. Ubonyeza hapo, utakonfirm.
We should be in for a great match today. Martin Tyler here, along with Alan Smith, to describe the action for you.
Yeah, hi there, Martin. I'm hoping we're going to describe some really exciting action here.
There's a little bit of edge in any professional football match, isn't there? The teams are lining up for what we call a friendly, but you'd be very surprised if there was an attack or two.
Well, I think so. What they will play with is a great deal of freedom and
na connect vizuri yani. Unajua hizi zimesaidia vizuri. Baada ya PS3 PS4 ina connect vizuri, yani anacheza vizuri kabisa. Iko fresh kabisa yani. Usione kama ina scratch hapo sauti. au video ujue hapo ni changamoto ni kwamba mimi na rekodi kupitia share screen. Kidogo simu inakuwa nzito. Ila kawaida ali scratch hata kidogo game. Anacheza vizuri
Fast forward there.
Unaweza kucheza UEFA.
We are ready.
UEFA.
We are ready. We are ready. We are ready.
Hapo
We're ready.
hapana.
We're ready. We are ready. We are ready. We are ready. We are ready.
Unaweza kaja UEFA huku. Kachagua timu yako hapo, mimi nachagua Bayern. Unaweza okay hapo. Utabonyeza hapo. Confirm. Hiyo na Arsenal unaweza okay hapo.
Welcome everyone, I'm Martin Tyler, he's Alan Smith, and we're going to talk about this match today from the commentary position. Hi there Martin, yeah, expecting big things here, it's a great atmosphere.
Mchezaji wa quality kabisa.
You look at each side and think well, there are goals in them, and in that respect they're very, very strong. Well they are, I mean, we talk a lot about the strikers, but the two defences as well. It's going to be a really tough match-up this. Certainly about Bayern Munich, second season, Pep Guardiola, still no Champions League ultimate success. It's so hard to get, but because he's got it before, the criticisms that maybe outside Barcelona he's not quite what people thought when he came to Munich. Well, I think that would be unfair. Certainly, as you said, Martin, it's so difficult to keep on triumphing in the Champions League in Europe. You need some luck as well as anything else, and let's face it, they got beaten by a quality side in Barcelona that night. Bayern Munich so used to winning today. If they do, I think they're going to be somewhere approaching their best against what is a really strong outfit. Well read by the defender to intercept. Can have it back. Dangerous moment. What a chance. Made the save, but the ball's still there. Straightforward start from an effort from a long way out. Well, we're halfway through.
Kuna sauti na uongozi unajua sababu hapa na rekodi. Hapa na rekodi kwenye share screen hapa kidogo inakuwa nzito.
Well, that has been a long first 45 minutes. Not too many goal chances, not too many real. Being kind, I think it was a cautious first half between these two teams, wasn't it? They've got to actually throw some of this caution to the wind, you would think. Yeah, he's got let's be fair, but I think as time sets in towards the end of the match, you'll see a few more chances. So after the goal, we've opened the scoring here, 1-0.
Yeah, body line Havertz, Rice.
Well, there's going to be an alteration now, and with the team trailing, you can understand why he's going to make. been a terrific contest, this match, and it could have a fantastic end to it as well. Oh, that's a superb save. With the time ticking away. Not afford to make any mistakes there, or else the game would have been up. Only 1 minute on the board. He's cut it out. And he's cut out the danger. No mistake about that. That's the end of the game, and it's 1-0. Ready now to go into competitive action again, you would feel, having won this friendly. Yeah, they look just about ready to me. They look fit, and they've settled into a system that they look comfortable with. Oh, what a fantastic game. From Martin Tyler, it's a very goodbye to you all.
Shakira, we are ready.